Happy Saturday, everyone. Smells like baking bread in here. I'm making more buns to go with our pulled pork tonight so that I don't have to cook, which seems like a fun idea. Clancy's been working on the garage, trying to get that organized because we want to get our kayaks out of our trailer. They've been sitting in there since September because they need a good amount of space in the garage. So he's been working on that. I've been editing vlogs and working on my computer setup here. Clancy has gone ahead and set me up with a big monitor and then my 2 laptops there, so it'll be a lot more comfortable for me for editing vlogs. I think he's taking it more serious than I am. We're working on kids playing outside. It was pretty cool out this morning. Go out here. We have the commune out in the alley. It's the funniest thing. The girls have been a little busy out here. I'm not sure how we're gonna clean that up.
This is so cool.
Look at that.
Look, it's bouncy.
It's completely hollow and it just slid right off. Hey? That's pretty cool.
You just had to tip the piece of wood upside down and okay, easel.
We need a bunch of computer stuff and Clancy has ordered it and we have to pick it up by 6 o'clock and it's in Calgary. So we've packed up the girls and we're going to run into Calgary and go for a little drive. Buns are out of the oven. It always helps to take a snack. A couple cookies for the girls and one for Daddy, of course. Not quite like the big DVD player in the truck, but this works. Somebody's put up a whole bunch of flags. I wonder if that was for appreciation last night. I have new parts for my vlogging. Clancy bought me a nice mouse and a new hard drive because when you have to store so many videos, it uses up your hard drive space really, really fast. And home again. It's cleared off a lot since we left though. Look at it, it's a Simpsons sky. I got my special window sticker from Staples. They were free and it just sticks on your window. I thought that was kind of cool. Family bike ride. So I don't know if I've actually shown my bike. This is my bike. And I get comments every time I go out for a bike ride. Bailey's gonna stay here and fix her bike. You ready?
Nope.
Okay. Here we go. You're scared, you're scared. And we're good to go. The river is quite full. And there's a deer right on the bank.
I'll tuck you in if you go to bed. Not you and my blinky. Go to bed. Never in my bed. You all need something.
Time to do Clancy's haircut, but that's not something new that we've taken up because we're in isolation. I usually cut everybody's hair, and it's getting long.
I'm gonna keep it getting long and long. I'll put in a pony.
No, you put in a pony, I cut it off.
Your dad used to wear his in a pony.
He wears his in a pony. Okay.
Thanks so much for tagging along with us today. Little Addie was so happy that she got the family out on a family bike ride. She hopes that next time Bailey will go with us. We're able to kick back and relax a little bit after we got the girls to bed and just watch some shows before we head off to bed. We thank you for watching The Real McNeils. If you haven't, hit that like button and subscribe.